Today's service person is Richard R. Beer. He served in Vietnam. Good morning, Chesaning High School. This is your student announcements for Wednesday, March 25th, 2015. Thank you.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Casey.
Happy birthday to the following have a birthday today. Emily Teal.
Emily Teal.
You say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too.
Nutritional Service will be handing out their free samples on Wednesday, March 25th in the cafeteria during lunch.
Attention junior and senior athletes, if you have not yet paid your athletic fee for 2014-2015, or if you have not returned in your uniform or equipment, please know that this must be taken care of before you will be allowed to purchase prom tickets. Please see Mrs. James for any questions.
Would you like to become more involved in planning and implementing school-wide events? If so, consider running for the school council or class officer position for next school year. There will be a meeting for all students interested in becoming part of the school council or class officer on Tuesday, April 7th, after school in Miss Lennon's room.
Key Club will be meeting on Tuesday, April 6th at 6 o'clock in room 208. Officer elections will be taking place. Come prepared with a speech if you are interested in being an officer position for next year.
Students are reminded that their schedule requests needed to be put in Skyward by the end of the day on Wednesday, and their EDPs need to be turned in to either Miss Mark or Miss Hapner by this time as well.
There will be a college visit for Saginaw Valley State University on Thursday, March 26th at 1 o'clock p.m. You can sign up in the guidance office.
Any sophomores or junior interested in enrolling in the Main Street Cosmetology program next year should pick up an application from Miss Marks. They are due at the end of the day on Friday, so all SSC applications are due at that time as well.
Just for seniors, the post-prom committee will be hosting a Mr. Union contest on April 23rd. All senior guys are encouraged to participate. First prize is $100 cash or a $200 scholarship. You can pick up an application in the principal's office.
Dues paid to Miss Nunopsky ASAP. Prom tickets will be going on sale soon, and you may not purchase a ticket if your class dues are not paid.
The deadline for the Dow Chemical Hemlock Semiconductor Scholarship application deadline has been extended to March 27th.
Today's lunch menu is chicken rings or chicken drumsticks with roll, mashed potatoes and gravy, corn, and coleslaw.
It's slaw, Casey.
It's coleslaw.
It's slaw.
All right, let's call it slaw. See you guys.
Bye.
Thank you.